what people notice in your room and why it feels off. You can walk into a room and instantly feel if something is off. And it has nothing to do with how expensive or inexpensive anything in the room is. Most people think others notice their furniture, their decor, their small details. They don't. They notice how the room feels. And if the space feels awkward or unfinished or unbalanced, that is what's going to stand out. The first thing people notice is your layout. If furniture feels disconnected or way too far apart or just randomly placed, the whole room feels so off. It doesn't matter how nice your pieces are if they're not working together. The space is never going to feel right. Everything should feel connected, like it belongs together in one setup. If it doesn't, that's the first thing people feel when they walk in. And this happens before they even notice what you bought. Next is balance. If one side of the room feels heavy and then the other side feels completely empty, your brain picks up on that. Too much furniture in one area, nothing in another. Wall art only on one side of a wall and then dead space on the other side. Even if you don't know how to explain it, it makes the room feel off. And this is where most rooms start to feel unfinished. Last thing, whether the room feels finished, this is where most people stop too early. No proper lighting, walls that feel half done, nothing tying everything together. That final layer is what makes a room feel complete instead of almost there. And this is the difference between a room that just looks okay and one that actually feels right the second you walk in. So it's not about having better fancy stuff. It's about how the space feels as a whole and how it all works together. And next, I'm going to start breaking down real rooms that you can really live in and showing you exactly what stands out so you can see what you need to fix in your space. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe.